It's Miss Haig back again. We are learning about the W digraph. WH together says W. It's almost like we're saying H in front of W. W. Try it. W. Yeah. So when you hear W at the beginning of these words, put your thumbs up. When you hear W in the middle of these words, put your thumb sideways. There is no endings that we're going to do, just beginnings and middles. Here we go. White. Yep, at the beginning. Whisper. Yep, at the beginning. Nowhere. In the middle, you got it. When. Yeah, at the beginning. Meanwhile. In the middle. All right. So now we know that WH sounds like HW. Yeah. So we're going to write some words with W. So get a piece of paper. You're going to write some down. So knowing that it's W is WH, get ready. I need you to put a W, WH, I, T. Now to make the I say its name, we have to add an E. So what color is that? W, I, T. Did you say white? You are right. We've been busy looking at the moon, and the moon is white. Sometimes. All right, let's try another one. Get your WH ready, your W. We're going to write the word what. What? Yeah. W, at. Remember the at ending? At. So it's an A and a T. These are one of our questions too. What? Those are one of our question words. Do you remember another question word that has the W at the beginning? Try why. Why. WH and why. Nice job. Do you remember another question word? What about when? When. So it's WH, N. The N word family. N. You got it. E-N. When. All right, you're on quite the roll. Can you think of 4 more to print down? Practice your printing. Look around. There are more words that start with W. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.